In this video, I will show you step by step how to withdraw your money from Exness to Trust Wallet. So all you have to do, friends, follow me in this guide. Go to Exness, your account wallet, click the first result here. After that, click sign in option. From the sign in, you should be signing in your account to complete withdraw request. After that, choose your withdraw or choose your crypto wallet. From the crypto wallet, click crypto wallet here in this option, and then click withdraw. For example, you want to withdraw bitcoins, click withdraw, and then from this section choose a payment method, bitcoins, and choose your wallet here. Go to your Trust Wallet. From the Trust Wallet, guys, all you have to do just wait to open your Trust Wallet account, and then click funds swap, this option. All you should be go to home and click on send. Not click on send, just click on this option, guys, fund, and then guys click deposit. Choose the deposit from or go back again, choose guys funds, and buy locally to receive, click this option, and then choose bitcoins. After that, copy this address and then go to here to Exness, paste this address, and then choose your amount you want to transfer, for example this amount, and then click continue. This is how you can do, guys. It is easy steps and simple. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and share this video for more content.